What separates millionaires from everyone else? Money bag. It's not luck. It's not talent. And it's definitely not expensive cars. It's daily financial habits. Show luxury lifestyle fading into investment charts and savings accounts. Most millionaires don't become wealthy overnight. They build wealth slowly through smart decisions repeated consistently over time. In this video, discover 10 financial habits millionaires use to grow money, avoid financial stress, and create long-term wealth. Watch till the end because the final habit is one of the biggest reasons wealthy people stay wealthy. Show text, millionaire habits that build wealth. Section 1, they spend less than they earn. This sounds simple. But most people do the opposite. Show paycheck disappearing quickly. Millionaires focus on keeping a gap between income and spending. That extra money becomes savings, investments, assets. Wealth grows in the gap between earning and spending. Section 2, they invest consistently. Millionaires don't let money sit idle. Show stock market chart rising steadily. They invest regularly into stocks, real estate, businesses, retirement accounts. Consistency matters more than timing. Small investments repeated for years create massive growth. Section 3, they avoid bad debt. Wealthy people understand that high-interest debt destroys wealth. Show credit card interest growing. They avoid credit card debt, payday loans, unnecessary financing. Instead of paying interest, they earn interest through investments. Section 4, they build multiple income streams. Millionaires rarely depend on one source of income. Show multiple income streams flowing together. Common income streams include businesses, investments, rental income, side hustles. More income streams create more financial security. Section 5, they budget and track money. Wealthy people know where money goes. Show finance tracking dashboard. They track spending, investments, savings, financial goals. Ignoring money creates financial problems. Tracking money creates control. Section 6, they focus on long-term thinking. Millionaires think differently. Show long-term graph rising. Instead of asking, what feels good today? They ask, what creates freedom later? Long-term thinking changes spending habits completely. Section 7, they keep learning about money. Financial education never stops. Show books, finance charts, podcasts. Wealthy people constantly learn about investing, business, taxes, financial strategy. The more knowledge grows, the better financial decisions become. Section 8, they avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest wealth traps is spending more every time income increases. Show income rising plus expenses rising. Millionaires often keep lifestyles controlled even as earnings grow. Instead of buying liabilities, they buy assets. Section 9, they use time wisely. Time is treated like money. Show clock beside financial charts. Wealthy people focus on high-value work, building systems, increasing productivity. They understand that wasted time can become lost opportunities. Section 10, they stay consistent. This is the habit most people underestimate. Show small habits stacking into wealth. Wealth rarely comes from one huge moment. It comes from saving regularly, investing consistently, making smart decisions repeatedly. Consistency compounds over time. Bonus tips. Tip 1, automate investing. Automatic investing removes emotion from financial decisions. Show money automatically transferring. Tip 2, avoid comparing lifestyles. Many wealthy people look financially normal. Tip 3, focus on assets first. Assets create future income. Tip 4. Be patient. Real wealth takes years, not weeks. Millionaires are not always the smartest people in the room. But they often have the smartest financial habits. Show simple habits turning into wealth. Spend wisely. Invest consistently. Think long-term. And turn ordinary financial habits into extraordinary financial freedom. And once those habits become part of everyday life, wealth building starts feeling less complicated. Show simple routines repeating daily. Because the truth is, millionaires often do boring things consistently. They save. They invest. They avoid unnecessary debt. And they repeat those habits for years. While most people chase shortcuts, wealthy people focus on systems. Show fast money fading while steady graph rises. Systems like automatic investing, monthly budgeting, long-term planning, income diversification. These systems reduce mistakes and increase stability. Another important habit is delayed gratification. Show luxury purchase versus investment choice. Millionaires understand that every dollar spent today has a future cost. That expensive impulse purchase could have become an investment, passive income, long-term growth. This mindset changes spending completely. Instead of asking, "Can this be bought?" the question becomes, "Is this worth delaying financial freedom?" And over time, investments begin doing more of the work. Show compounding investment graph accelerating. At first, growth feels slow. Then compounding starts creating momentum. This is why wealthy people stay patient. They understand that time multiplies money. Another major difference is risk management. Millionaires don't gamble blindly. Show calculated decisions on financial charts. They research opportunities carefully. They avoid emotional decisions. And they protect their downside before chasing rewards. Financial discipline also creates peace of mind. Show calm financial lifestyle. Less stress. Less panic about bills. More control over life decisions. And eventually, wealth becomes more than money. It becomes freedom. Freedom to choose work. Spend time differently. Handle emergencies. Create opportunities. That's why millionaire habits matter so much. Not because they look impressive, but because they create stability and options over time. And the best part? Most of these habits do not require being rich to start. Only consistency. Show small daily habits building upward. Because wealth is often built slowly. One smart decision at a time, and in the end, the biggest lesson about millionaires is surprisingly simple. Wealth is usually built through habits, not hype. Show flashy spending fading while steady investments grow. Most wealthy people are not winning lotteries every year. They are making smart financial decisions consistently for a long time. They understand something many people ignore. Small financial choices repeated daily shape the future. A few dollars invested regularly. A few unnecessary purchases avoided. A few smart decisions.